Hey YouTube, today we are unboxing the Nike SB collab with Black Bar. Let's go have a look. Hey there, before we get to the unboxing, if you're new to this channel and you don't know who we are, we're Pint of Stuff. I'm Mr. B and we tend to do sneaker unboxings. We also do the cinematic on foot look review things, and we also stream on Sundays, don't we, Camera 2? We stream on Sundays where we talk sneakers, more sneakers, and some more sneakers. So that's at 12 PM on the West Coast. That would be 3 PM on the East Coast, I think. And it's likely gonna be 8 o'clock in the evening in the UK. You might wanna join us, you might not, but come along, maybe. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing, everyone, because that's all you're really here for. So it's boxed from Note in Manchester. I can tell you that because it doesn't have any of the Nike chevron-y things and the nice rippy box. So we're gonna go and do what we normally do in the olden days. We are gonna speed up about now. I don't know what happened there. I just could not get them out of the box. So before we go into the stuff, all I want to say is, look, it's a black and teal box again. We haven't seen one of these quick strike boxes for a while. So what have we got here? We've got a Nike SB Zoom Dunk High Pro quick strike. It's a US 11.5. That makes it a UK 10.5. And it's black wolf grey. And everyone, it's AH9613002. Right, SJ, let's do it. SJ on Sneaker Cam, let's do this. So, unlike the last SBs we opened, woodcut paper, and I was really interested to see what the black on this leather looked like, everyone, because in the pictures it looks sort of a chestnut brown, and I knew that wouldn't be the case because it's black. It's an interesting black, that's all I'm going to say. Right, there we go, boom, boom. So let's get rid of the box. Let's get rid of the box, everyone. Right, we're having a quick look. First impressions, they're nice. They're obviously a Dunk High, we all know the profile. They're a collaboration between Black Bar in California, in LA I think, and a street artist called Neckface, I think. Does all of this nice work here. Okay, so, oh wow. Oh my word. Okay, so we've got leather. We've got this, let's have a look here, Camera 2. You probably can't see this. So we've got this is black, but it's like this chocolate black. Yeah, it's definitely chocolate. It's really smooth leather. That's glove leather. It feels like glove leather, everyone. You can't really see that. SJ, can you see this on Sneaker Cam? This leather here, this feels like the leather that you'd make a pair of gloves from. It's so, this bit here in particular is so soft. But what I was saying with it, oh wow, when you caught me earlier, is this suede on the toe box. That's really silky. Can you see? Is it picking up at all just how silky that is? It's not, is it? Not really. Yeah, SJ's saying it is, it isn't. So first thing to say, everybody, is the labels come out. Let's just loosen them off a little bit. We've got actually, oh, there's some detail on the lace caps. Oh, this is gonna be a shoe of detail. This is gonna be a shoe of detail. I don't know what happened with the old voice there. Right, let's get in. They always lace these like an absolute buggery in the factory. It's like, ugh. It's like, how are you supposed to like have a good look at them and decide if you want to put them on? So I'm just going to stick that there in the thingamy bob. So first of all, SJ, can you come in close on the lace caps? Can you see that? Yeah. Now, I'm not sure what that is. Ah, B. It's a B. And I just want to check the others on the other. And I just want to have a look inside as well. So we do have alternate laces. Here's a thing you don't often get with alternate laces. These are waxed alternate laces. These are a flat waxed grey. Let's have a, just before we put them away, what do you think, SJ? Yeah, I think they'd work. There's a nice contrast. I think if you look at the sole, you've got this silverish colour here on the sole. They go together. They've actually matched the colour really well. That's surprising. So I'm going to put them back in there. I'm going to get the paper out because we've got interesting inner soles. I'm going to try and get this out for you, everyone. I'm going to get this out, coming out quite easily. So standard Zoom heel, we all know that, we're bored by that. But there you go. And so it says Nike SB and then black down there. So we're going to put these back in there. I've just peeked at the other one. It looks the same. Cut. We just put that back in there. Yeah, right, here we go. I'm going to have to actually unlace this because the tongue feels interesting. the tongue is actually made of the same leather, and it really feels like it. Where often you get that sort of fabric tongue, we've actually got, this is like a suede tongue. Oh wow. So look at this. So you've got the same suede here, always bet on black. You got that? Then on the inside, if you can see this, on the inside tongue tag, black again, and that's got really nice leather there, and in fact the tongue is made really well. I'm putting my hand inside now. That soft leather goes all the way. That's so nice. Let's have a look, because I know there's some other detail on one of these. Is it on this one? Yep, so you can just see, I don't know if this is gonna, right, I'm gonna have to put this here in the light, and you see the word black there as well. So do you think this is Black Bar? You got it? So we're flinging around to the back, black on the back there as well. And let me just check on the other one. The other looks the same, the shoe looks the same as well, so we're not gonna have a lot of look at that. Then we've got, look at the swoosh, look at the detailing on this swoosh. It's really nice, really, really nice. These are a solid pair of dunks. Absolutely solid pair of dunks. Right, camera 2. Hey, sneaker cam, stop peering. You're always peering, sneaker cam. Like, just always stop peering. Right, I don't know if this is going to show up because these are so black, and the lights in here are a little bit different today. So I'm going to put them back to there. Sorry, camera 2. It's not on you. It's not, honestly. But you're no good today. You're no good to me. Just settle down. I am just going to spin that beauty round. This is one of the best dunk highs they've made for a long time from a quality point of view. I'm also, while I'm moving this in my hands, I'm looking for glue. I can't see glue, a great deal of glue around where the midsole joins. They're a really well-made pair of dunks. Oh, it's a shame to wear them. It really is. Like, have a look at that, camera 1. Is that not a banging dunk? Like, these work so well. It's a funny thing to say, like, it's a really good black, this suede, but there's sometimes when you get black suede, or you just get black on clothes in general, you know when the black is rich and deep and how it would suck the light from the sun and absorb it and not let anything reflect back. This suede is that. The sun could literally shine on this and it would suck the light in. But anyway, SJ's giving me a face. She's giving me a face. You give me a face, aren't you, girl? Yeah, see. So people, what do you think? Do you like these? Is this a banging shoe or what? I think it's absolutely stupendous. This is already one of my favorite dunks of the year. I knew it would be. I knew when I saw the pictures of this leather and just how like bizarrely shaded it was. And it's not bizarrely shaded. It works so well on the shoe, but against the richness of the black of the suede, it's amazing. And I love, like, I'm just handling the leather on the inside again. It's very, very nice. It's very soft. It's very, I don't know what the word is.
Supple.
Supple. Thank you, SJ. Supple. It's very supple. So people, if you haven't subscribed by now and you like what we do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's just about down there. And you might as well, while you're at it, you might as well hit that old notification bell because it really does work. Trust me, I get so many notifications in Chrome. SJ, do you get notifications in Chrome? Yes, she does. So people, until next time, I suppose. Actually, one last question. Let me know what you think in the comments, but we haven't asked Sneaker Cam. Do you like these dunks? Would you like these dunks for yourself? Oh, that is a definite yes. So on that note, I'm out of here. See ya. Oh, well, I was going. I found another detail. Right, SJ, get in there. And you see that? It's just everywhere on the wings. They just do this. They trick me. Like, they're like, oh no, we'll just hide a few more details away from you. One last shot. Whoa, making me sick. Making me sick. All right, everyone, I really am going now. I'll see you next time. And don't forget, Sneaker Streaming Sundays every Sunday. I'll see you later. Bye. Boom. Honestly, I told you I was going, but we're back again. Another little detail. If you made it this far, massive thumbs up to you. The B is also on the spare laces. And we don't often see them bothering with that. You got that? Yeah? Right, people, I genuinely am now genuinely leaving. I'll see you next time. See you, bye. Right, I'm back. And you wouldn't expect to be back quite so soon, will you? SJ's found another detail. She was like faffing about the tongue going, these tongues remind me of something. And I think she's found a stash pocket. But not only has she found a stash pocket, everyone, there's also Always Bet on Black, a chip. And it's on Santa Monica Boulevard. That is absolutely amazing. I just want to check in the other one now. I'm just going to check in the other one. Right, I've just got to do this really, really quickly, everyone. I'm so like, I can't believe I missed that. Oh my word, that is so cool. That is the best thing ever. Look at that. Look at that, everyone. I know that's not going to focus on that camera. You can't see it. SJ, this is like the best thing ever. I haven't seen this in any review. This is so cool. Right, going back in. Right, genuinely, I know no one believes me now. You think I'm gonna stay in this video for like ever, and we're just gonna talk about these shoes for like ever. But everyone, I will honestly say, I'll see you later. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And if you're on the gram, pint of stuff. Anyway, folks, I'll see you later. Bye. Is there anything else you want to find? Oh, there is one in this one as well. Yes. Let me just check that one. Like, did I put it in the wrong shoe? Oh no, it's a different shoe.